no, a gutter ball. That sucks.
You're a fucking gutter ball.
Damn.
Gutter ball. Gutter.
Because Rap is recording me, Rap.
Oh, am I scaring you?
Yeah.
That was alright.
No way.
Alright. Woo! It's got some speed to it. And he got a strike. He just got a strike.
There you go, Raffy.
Well, that's
Gutter ball. Oh. What was that? Oh, Raffy, here we go. That is hitting nothing. Ooh.
Oh, he just got another gutter ball. See this guy? He did not get the spare. Okay. Oh no. Oh, gutter ball. And one pin. Alright. That's a good shot. That's definitely a strike. Right down the middle and a strike for Nudo. You will get this spare. Looks like it's one pin.
That made no sense. That's a gutter ball.
you're at 93.
Okay. That's good. No, it's not. Yes, it is. So close. Here's Oscar.
Look, watch this gutter ball. Gutter ball!
Whips it down the lane. Gets 4 pins. Oh, just missed it. Alright.
Well, Raffy's going, and you're defying gravity. Raffy, and it's the 2 pins.
Oh. What a boy. That's a spare. Yes, it is.
Alright, that's a pretty good hook, and
I'm currently winning 70-10, but that doesn't matter. Chris is probably going to bowl a strike. Never mind. He's still in the lead. Ooh.
Oh, that curve. No, okay. I don't think Ravi's gonna win. Like almost all of them. Yeah, I'll watch this.
Oh no. Uh-oh. Alright, it's 33-3. Don't know what's going on. Alright, here's a shot.
We have Rafi trying to ball. Here we go. What is he gonna do? The ball. And he's a strike.
it's official, Chris won.
Guys, I won. Lawrence, I won.
Chris, happy birthday to you. Yeah. Guys, are we doing it? Are we doing it? Same time, same time.
Oh yeah, same time, go.
Wait.
Wait.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh!
No way, let's go!
Don't walk on that. Easy class, brother.
Dude, you could have knocked the pins down like I did.
Oh, Chris, I should have knocked the pins down.
No,
He's gonna ball as hard as he can. Let's see how fast he'll be. Oh no, don't know what happened there. Don't know what happened. All right, there's one. There's two.
He's gonna start. Go to the.
Oh! What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my god. Oh my god. He dead ass did it. You ready? Wow, and I just got a strike, alright. One is Scooby-Doo. Alright, Noodle wants that one. Noodle wants that one.
He's gonna grab it by the ass.
Oh no.
Look at it.
Go down, go down. Got it. He might have got it.
It fell.
What is it doing? You just got 3. Oh,
He's gonna punch it.
that face though. Oh, tense rage. All right, foosball. Here we go. Dude, hey, this is mine. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here. Okay, go, 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 go. Everyone go. Oh my god.
None of us are making it. Jesus Christ!
Oh my gosh, you're gonna break the glass.
Get it.
One more. Oh, 4,000.
She hit the door?
Dookie.
That was
It was
awesome.
lit.
That was
It's
awesome.
pretty good.
This kid's 14 now.
Yeah.
And this guy.
I'm sweating.